Hi, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about what a system is and particularly what the Earth system is. So let's get started. So, what is the Earth system? The Earth is made up of many connected parts that make up a whole, just like a regular system. So, we have a component for air, water, land, life, and they all are interconnected and they all work together to create the Earth system. So let's talk about the major parts of the Earth system. First, you might be familiar with the atmosphere. This is all the air around Earth. Next is the hydrosphere, which is all the water on Earth. A component of the hydrosphere is also the cryosphere, and this is all the ice on Earth. There's also the biosphere, which is all the living things on Earth. And finally, the geosphere, which a component of it is the lithosphere, so that's all the land, rocks of the Earth's surface. So, why is it called a system? Well, a system is when you have multiple parts and all those parts work together to form a whole or work together as a whole. And whatever happens to one part of the system affects the other part of other parts of the system. So, similarly, Earth is a system. It has many parts as we've talked about previously on this slide, and all those parts are interconnected. If you change one thing in the atmosphere, it can have an effect on the hydrosphere, which the oceans, or the cryosphere, the ice. And Earth works like one big connected system. So, to summarize, Earth is a system that is made up of many parts that include air, water, land, and life, and they're all connected. If you change one part of the system, it will affect other parts of the system as well. And this is why we study Earth as a system. So, what's next? In the next video, we will talk about why Earth can support life, why Earth is in the perfect spot in space to support life, how water, air, and chemicals make life possible, and what the atmosphere does on Earth to keep us safe. So, see you then. Bye.